All right, let's start with the two knobs that are on this bass. Right here you got volume and then you got tone. For a guy like me, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory, really easy to understand. Here's your volume. That's a 10. You turn it down a little bit. And it's kind of cool because you can get some cool swells with this bass I've never been able to get on another bass. Like almost like a cello. And then over here, you have your tone knob. Right now I have my treble all the way up, and the tone is all the way open right now, which is more of a, it enhances the mids and the highs a little better. For, you know, for instance. I'll back it down right now to about 75. Then you can bring it down to about 50. Now you get more to like pocket style, more pocket style bass playing. And then once you get down to like 25%, you know, and turned off, that's just like straight up Motown sound, you know? Basically, with Ansir basses, compared to any other bass I've really ever played, the crazy range of tones you can get is just ridiculous. You know, it's just from nice highs and mids to like a total, you know, beefy growl. You know what I mean?